I think I really got to shave tomorrow.
Yes!
But before I do this, I will give you a short introduction to our fridge. And you might think, hey, dude, why are you showing me your fridge? This is about yoga. Yeah, exactly. Because I'm living a yogic life, and this is also a yogic refrigerator. It's on top of the wash machine. So it's a bolder refrigerator, and it's on top is the cooling, and here's the freezing part. But what is much more interesting is that what is on top of it. It's Lord Ganesha, 3 times of Lord Ganesha, with a big Om Namah Shivaya in the middle, and then Lakshmi on the bottom. Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Aim Shreem Reem Mahalakshmi Namaha. Inshallah. And that means I love you. This is the energy that goes inside of the fridge.